Welcome to Marinova Subdivision here in Buford, Georgia. My name is Sarah Pickell, Realtor with Keller Williams. Marinova is a smaller subdivision located in northern Gwinnett County, known for its craftsman-style homes with cute curb appeal. This neighborhood offers a pool, tennis court, and playground, as well as easy access to Interstate 85 and shopping and dining. The school district is also one of the top in the county, zoned for Duncan Creek Elementary, Osborne Middle, and Mill Creek High School. My newest listing is 2230 Spring Sound Lane. Only 5 years old, this home is still in impeccable condition. One of the sellers is a builder, and he has put some extra special touches in the home. With 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this home has a guest room on the main floor, as well as a media room upstairs, and a fantastic private oasis. Come on in and take a peek.